Good day. In this video, we're going to show you that we sometimes change surds to exponents if the need be. Before we explain this rule, please remember if there's anything on school level mathematics on surds and exponents that you're not sure about, please send us a WhatsApp photo of your problem to this number. Then we will try and solve the problem and send back an answer to you for free as soon as possible. Right. The rule of changing surds to exponents says that if you have a root like over here, you're allowed to rewrite the base and put the value that you have over there in the tick as a fraction, as an exponent. Let's look at a few examples. If you take the square root of 9, using this rule, you can write it as 9 to the power of a half because there's a little 2 in the tick. I usually prime factorize my 9 and make it 3 to the power of 2. Then with exponent law 3, you will times the 2 and the half in the air. Then you get 3 to the power of 1, which is 3. Another example, if I take the cube root of 8, using this rule, we can write it as 8 to the power of a third because there's a 3 in the tick. In this case, I will prime factorize the 8 and make it 2 to the power of 3. Then I'll times the 3 and the third like I showed. And that'll give me 2 to the power of 1, which is 2. You never have to show all this in math. I'm just using it as explanation. You can go straight from here to here to here if you want to. Here is another example. We have the square root of 9 to the power of minus 3. Again, using this law, I can rewrite it like this. I then prime factorize the 9, which gave me 3 to the power of 2. Kept the minus 3 and kept the half. Then I times the 2 and the minus 3 with exponent law 3 in the air. I get the minus 6. Keep my half as an exponent. If I times the minus 6 with a half, I'll get a minus 3 in the air. Because we usually don't like negative exponents, we will change the 3 to the minus 3 to 1 over 27. If you don't understand this last step, please look at the video that says negative exponents. Another example is, if I have the square root of 8 to the power of 16, I can write the square root as a power of a half. Then I multiply the 16 and a half, which will give me 8 to the power of 8. Do not break your head on the following one. You can rewrite this surd in exponential form looking like this. Then you times the 1 over x into each exponent in the air, which will give you this. Then you're supposed to know that 1 to the power of anything, however ugly, is 1. And that bottom just stays that way. And this can be written as this, if need be. Like I said, do not worry too much about this bottom one. Understand these. Please indicate whether you liked or disliked this video and subscribe to the channel.